عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. من أخلاق المسلمين. Muslims characters of Muslims. Okay. أخلاق means characters. مسرحية means drama, play, theater, or stage drama. المنظر الأول. المنظر الأول means first scene. Okay. Actually, this lesson is going to be around a drama. Okay. This is a written drama. We are gonna see, or we're gonna read the drama through some scenes, through some manzur. All right. So this is the first scene, al manzur al awwal. Let us see what will be happen in this drama of the first scene, which is al manzur al awwal, first scene. Al Khalifa Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu ta'ala an. uh, he is there, Khalifa is there, وحوله, and around him. حوله means around him. بعض الصحابة, there are some companions around him. يدخل شابان, and at that time يدخل enters. Who enters? شابان, two young men. Two young men enters. Shabun means one young man. Shaban means two young men. Well, as you can see that there are two young men. What are they doing? يدخل شابان, they are entering. يجران, okay, they are pulling. يجران شابان. These two, that means this and these two shab young men are pulling another shab, another young man pulling into the hall of the Khalifa. Shaban آخر, another shab was pulled by other two. ويقف, and they are now, they stopped, or they are standing up at ثلاثة. These three young men are now أمام عمر, in front of Umar ibn al-Khattab رضي الله تعالى عنه. They came for something. Let us see. Okay. شابان لعمر, then two young men said to Umar. That means this young man and another young man, and they both, those who are pulling another young man, they said هذا الشاب قتل أبانا. This man, okay, this man killed our father. قتل أبانا, killed our father. فجئنا, and we brought him. جئنا جاء بي, when جاء would come with be, then the meaning would be to bring. فجئنا به, and we brought him إليك, we brought him to you, we took him to you. لتقتله, so that you kill him now. He killed our father, now you kill him. لي, for تقتله, you will kill. Who means him. Okay, who means him. And then what he said, Umar said, جريمة كبيرة, it's a huge crime. جريمة كبيرة means it's a huge crime. أيها القاتل, or murderer, it's a huge crime. ألا تعلم, don't you know. لا, means it's a question mark, it's for question. ألا, don't you know. ألا تعلم, don't you know. أن that الإسلام, Islam يعاقب, Islam punish, Islam punish على القتل العامد. Islam punish for purposeful killing. Okay, if you kill someone purposefully, then you will also be killed. بالقتل, you will be killed. That means Islam يعاقب, Islam give punishment or punish على القتل العامد, for the purposeful murder with killing. Okay, that means if anyone kills with purposefully, for intentionally, then he will also be killed. Okay, that's his punishment. Ashab said, Arju, Arju, I'm requesting you, and tasma, you will listen, qissati, you will listen my story, you will listen to me, Ya Amir al-Mu'mineen, O Amir al-Mu'mineen, thumma ta'mur, then you will order bima tara, whatever you want. Then you will tell whatever you want, no problem. First, listen to me, O Amir al-Mu'mineen. Then the Shabban started shouting, the young two other men. What they said, قصتك, your story, قصتك, your story, قصتك أنك قتلت شيخا كبير السن. Your story is that أنك قتلت, you killed an older man. شيخا كبير السن means older man. You killed an older man. That's your story. And now وقبضنا, قبضه, يقبضه means arresting or capturing, captivating. Now we captured you, عليك, for you. I mean, عليك means for, وقبضنا عليك, that means we captured you. Okay, ولم نقتلك, we didn't kill you. وأحضرناك, we brought you. أحضر يحضر means bringing. We brought you إلى أمير المؤمنين. Now we brought you to the Amir al-Mu'minin. That's your story. Okay, this was the saying of the two young men. Then Umar said, اسكتا الآن, silent, stop. فقد فهمت قولكما, I understood what you said. فهمت قولكما, I understood. وأريد, and now I want. أراد يريد means I want أن أسمع منه. Now I want to listen to him. I would like to listen to him. Then the young man said, آه يا أمير المؤمنين, oh أمير المؤمنين, كنت أمشي, I was walking خلف جمالي, behind my camels I was walking. وكان فيها جمل قوي, and in those camels there was a very strong camel. قوي means strong. Okay, مرت الجمال بحديقة, all the camels, they were moving to a garden. Okay, فأخذت تأكل, and they started eating. All the camels, they started eating from minha, from the garden. Okay, started eating grass, flowers, fruits. Okay, فضربتها, then I bit the camels لأبعدها, to stay away. I tried the camels to be stayed away. ولكن الجمل القوي, but the strongest camel أبطأ قليلا, it moved very less. That means it was not moving. I tried a lot to stay away from the garden. Don't eat others' food. Don't go to others' garden. Okay, please, you come away, oh Jamal. But he didn't move from the garden. أبطأ قليلا, he moved very less. Okay, ثم عمر said, ثم ماذا, then what happened? Umar said, what happened then? الشاب said, خرج من الحديقة, from the garden. من الحديقة means garden. Came out. Who came out? شيخ كبير, an older man came out. وتناول, and he took حجرا ضخما, he took a huge stone. Okay, he took a big stone. ضخما means كبيرا. تناول means took. حجر means stone. ورمى, then he threw. به رأس جملي, then he threw the stone at the head of my camel. Okay, Rama means threw, Bihi means he threw the stone Rasa at the head. Jamali means my camel. He threw the stone at the head of my camel. فسقط على الأرض ميت, and then he died. The Jamal was died. فسقط means he fell down on the ground, dying. Okay. Umar said, ثم ماذا? Then what happened? ثم ماذا? Okay. Then the young man said, غضبت جدا, I became really angry, I became really agitated. Okay, غضبت means agitated, A-G-I T-A-T-E-D, agitated. وتناولت الحجر, then I took the stone. نفسه, I took the same stone. نفسه means same stone. ورميت به الشيخ, and I now threw the stone at the older man. Okay, I threw the stone back to the older man. ولم أكن أريد, but I didn't want. لم أكن أريد means I did not want. قتله, I didn't want to kill him. ولكنه مات, but he died. But unfortunately, the older man also died. Umar said, okay, all right. عقابك أن تقتل. Now your punishment is uh, that you will be killed. Your punishment is that you will be killed. And تقتل, you will be killed. Now كما قتلت, the way you killed. As you killed one person, now you will be killed. Nothing can be done. كما means the way you killed. Okay. الشبان, the young man said, هذا هو العدل. Yes. Yeah, that's an honest verdict. That's an honest verdict. That's the honest judgment. Okay. Yeah, that's right. الشاب said, أنا لا أعارض حكم الخليفة العادل. Then the young man said, أنا لا أعارض. No, I'm not gonna oppose. I'm not gonna go against. لا أعارض. I'm not gonna go against. Okay, لا أعارض means I'm not gonna go against حكم the what the Khalifa said. I will not go against that. The hukum, I will not deny the hukum of Khalifa al-Adil, the honest Khalifa, right? ولكن مات أبي. But then he said, but my father died. My father also died few days back. وترك and then وترك لي أخا صغيرا. Then I have a I have a younger brother now. وترك, that لي, that means my father left a young brother for me. وترك له مالا عندي. Then my father, before dying, he left some money for my brother. وترك له, that means my father left some money. مالا, مالا means money. عندي, the money he left, this money I have, okay, the money, those money I have for my brother. وقد أخبأته, and I hid, okay, the past form of hide. أخبأ يخبئ means hiding, okay. أخبأت means I hid, 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 okay. I hid the money في مكان لا يعرفه, in a place that no one knows. في مكان, I hid the money in a place where no one knows the place. Omar said. Okay, so yeah, actually that's the story of the young man who was killed. When the young man was judged that you will also be killed as you killed the father of other two men, then now you will be killed. Then this young man said that, okay, my father was also died few days back. I have got a brother. My father left some money for my brother. I they kept the money in a place that where no one knows. My brother also doesn't know. So وَقَدْ أَخْبَرْتُ فِي مَكَانٍ لَا doesn't know. Then Umar said, after listening everything, وَمَاذَا تُرِيدُ, so what do you want now? Ashab said, أريد ثلاثة أيام, I want 3 days. I want 3 days. أذهب فيها إلى بلدي وأعطي المال لأخي. أذهب فيها إلى بلدي, I'll go to my place, I'll go to my country, okay, I'll go to my city. وأعطي المال لأخي, and I will give the money to my brother. أعطي, أعطي, يعطي means I'll give, المال, the money, لأخي, to my brother. I'll give the money to my brother. Umar said, okay, how you guarantee that you will come back again after 3 days? وَمَنْ يَضْمَنُكَ, who will be your guarantee? Who will be your guarantee? Guarantee, double E. Man yadmanuk, who will be the guarantee that he will come back? Okay. Ashab said, وهو يشير إلى أبي ذر الغفار. Then he pointed. Ashara yushir means pointing with finger or pointing with eyes. Then he pointed to Abu Dhar al-Ghifari. He was the companion. He pointed at him that he will be. هذا الشيخ يضمنني. This man, هذا الشيخ, this Sahabi will be my guarantee that I will come back. يضمنني, ضمانه يضمن means he will be the guarantee. Okay, Abu Dhar said, نعم. Abu Dhar became agreed. He said, نعم أضمنه ثلاثة أيام. I will be his guarantee for 3 days. يا أمير المؤمنين, oh Amir al-Mu'minin. Then, yeah, that was the first scene. Okay, in the drama, the next scene. Okay, the next scene, Ashaban li Umar. The two young men in the next scene said to Umar, لقد حضرنا في الموعد. We came to the promised day. We came to the uh, you know written day. Okay, حضرنا, we came. في الموعد means promised day, the day which was promised to come. That means after 3 days. Umar said, انتظرا, wait, انتظرا حتى يحضر الشاب, until the young man comes. Okay, wait until the young man comes back. حتى يحضر الشاب. عمر لأبي ذر, عمر لأبي ذر. Then Umar radiallahu anhu said to Abi Dhar, كاد النهار يمضي ولم يأتي شباب. The day is almost about to be over. Kada means about to, ABOUT space to, about to be something. Suppose about to die, about to eat something like that. I'm almost about to doing something. Okay, kada nahar, the day, and nahar means the day. Yamdi, mada yamdi means getting over. The day is getting almost over. ولم يأتي الشاب, and the young man did not come. الذي ضمنته, that you were the guarantee of. Okay, that man didn't come and you were guaranteed for them, for him. وإذا لم يحضر, if he doesn't come back, if he do not come, إذا لم يحضر فستقتله, then you will be killed. بدلا منه, you will be killed instead of him. Okay. Abu Dhar said, أرجو أن يحضر اليوم. I believe, I believe that he will come today. he will come today. يظهر الشاب ويدخل إلى مجلس أمير. And at that time, the the young man was seen. ويدخل, and he entered. يدخل means entered. إلى مجلس أمير, to the majlis of Amir, the hall room of Amir. يظهر means were seen. Okay. ظهر يظهر means it is discovered, which can be seen, something like that. Then الشاب, the young man said, عفوا, I'm sorry لأنني تأخرت, that I am late. فبلدي بعيد جدا, my country is far away. يتحدث إلى أبي ذر, he talks to Abi Dhar. Alright, he says this thing to Abi Dhar. Shukran. What he says to Abu Dhar? He says that Shukran, thank you so much. أيها الشيخ الشجاع. Oh, you know, the brave man. I'm really thanking you. لقد أعطيت, I gave you أخي, I gave أخي ماله, I gave my brother his money. I gave back. أعطى means give. I gave my brother his money. وحضرت لأفي بوعدي, and I brought, I came here. I حضرت means I came here لأفي بوعدي, to fulfill my promise. Okay, I gave back the money to my brother. Now I came back here to fulfill my promise. لأفي, أفي means fulfilling the promise. وعدي means promise. Shaban said the two young men, they are now changed. They are now changed man. What they said, تنازلنا عن حقنا. تنازلنا, okay, we left our right. تنازلنا means we left our right. عن حقنا يا أمير المؤمنين, or أمير المؤمنين عفونا, we forgave him. عفونا عن هذا الشاب, we forgave this young man. عفونا means we forgave هذا الشاب. الوفي الأمين, we forgave this loyal and trustworthy boy, trustworthy man. Okay, we forgave him. We don't want you to be killed. We don't want to kill him. Okay. Umar said, هذا حقكما, that's your decision, that's your right. Okay, بارك الله فيكما, may Allah bless you for this, may Allah bless you. Shab said, أنا عاجز عن شكر. Okay, I am not capable enough to thank you. Okay, I'm really grateful to you. أنا عاجز, I don't have any capability to thank you. How much thank you deserve? Okay, the young man said, the young man who was supposed to be killed. Okay, and شكركما, then he thanked them a lot. Umar said, أنت شهم يا أبا ذر. On the other hand, Abu Dhar, but you are really brave man. You are a brave man. شهم means brave, fearless. وأنت وفي أيها الشاب, and you shab, you young man, you are really a trustworthy person. وفي means trustworthy person. وأنتما, and then he said to other two young men, Kariman, you are really you do have mercy. Okay, you are merciful person. You have mercy. أيها الشابان, O young man. تصافحوا, go shake your hand. وتعانقوا, embrace him. Okay, hug each other. تصافحوا, that means do shake hand, and وتعانقوا, and yeah, hug each other. So now here يتصافحون يتعانقون, they are doing this as you can see here, and this is how sitar, the curtain, was closed. Yeah, that's it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.